What's up, guys? This is Dave from Crux Motorsports. I'm going to be showing you today how to apply the lower rear bumper reflector on this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee L. This will work for that model and any newer vehicles as well. This is the dark smoke air release film, so you're going to be applying it completely dry. I'm going to start in this lower corner. Once you get that lower corner aligned, keeping tension on the film, you're going to align at the bottom. So I'm a little bit off here. You can reposition this film. Again, keeping tension on the film, aligning at the bottom. Once you got it seated correctly, you can go ahead and work down the rest of the material. Then we're going to go over this with the heat source. I'm going to be using a torch today. I don't recommend using that because you will burn the material, but you could use a hair dryer on a low setting, heat gun, low setting. Same concept. This is going to show any bubble areas. Also where that writing is. If you heat that, you can press it down into. So just go over the film one more time. Make sure it's all stuck down. Now we're going to work the material into the creases around the lamp. So again, this is the dark smoke film. This is the more popular option on the other vehicles that we make these products for. We do have this available in a light smoke film as well. It's going to be a touch lighter. The dark smoke is about a 20%, the light smoke's around a 50%. So this is available on our website. Make sure to check out our other videos, installation videos we have on this particular vehicle here on YouTube. And if you have any questions, phone number, email address on the website. Link to this product is in the video description below. Thanks for watching.